This video can save you a lot of time, trouble and revisions. Before you start designing, you need direction. A creative direction, to be more precise. And that is where the mood board comes in. So, a mood board is a collection of visuals that represent the look and feel of your brand. It helps you explore your creative direction before you start designing. Having a creative direction makes designing much easier. You don't necessarily know every detail yet, but it gives you a general direction to move in. Without it, designing can feel confusing because there are endless possibilities and directions to choose from. Your brand strategy helps narrow it down, and your creative direction narrows that down even further. So you have a clear direction to move in instead of just guessing. In previous videos, we discussed your brand strategy and all the components it consists of. The strategy helps guide your visuals. So your mood board isn't just a bunch of random inspiration, but it's actually something that aligns with your brand. Your mood board can include things like color palettes, imagery and photography styles, logo, style references, illustration and graphic patterns, textures, graphic styles. But we're not designing the brand yet. We are just exploring the direction to design in. So let's just break it down. Step 1. Look at your brand strategy. What are you trying to create? For example, a warm and welcoming brand, or something more modern and minimal. Step 2 is gather the inspiration. Collect a bunch of visuals that could work. This can be from Pinterest, Dribbble, Behance, Instagram, or just like your daily life. Use whatever works best for you or a combination of the lot. And step 3 is focusing on consistency. Start narrowing it down. Look at what visuals work together. Do they feel they belong together? Keep what fits and remove what doesn't. Step 4 is to build the mood board. Now, piece everything together. Keep it clean and intentional and start shaping your creative direction. And lastly, this step is often skipped, but it's very important. Add short notes. This can help to explain why you choose certain colors, why the typography works, why or what feeling the imagery has. This helps clearly explain what you're thinking and visually communicates what's in your head. I typically create 2 mood boards so that my clients have 2 creative directions to choose from that still aligns with their brand strategy. But you can create as many as you like. Having 2 creative directions helps them compare options, explore different ideas, and make more confident decisions. Once you have your options, go through them and ask, what direction fits your brand strategy the best? Which one connects with your audience the best? And which one feels the most like you and your brand? It's important that it not only works strategically, but it also feels aligned with your brand. Using the bakery example, let's say the brand strategy is built around a purpose of bringing joy to families through fresh, quality baked goods. Their values are kindness, quality and community, and they have warm, friendly and a welcoming personality. Based on that strategy, we can explore different creative directions. Direction 1 can be warm and cozy. So we'll use soft, warm colors, natural textures, friendly handwritten fonts, and lifestyle imagery. Direction 2 can be clean and modern, but still warm, with soft, neutral colors, with a subtle, warm tones, simple, clean typography, bright, natural photography with people in it. Both directions still feel warm, friendly, and community focused. They just expressed a bit differently. So to sum up, a mood board helps you define your creative direction, explore your visuals, visual ideas, and stay aligned with your brand strategy. So create different directions, remember to add the notes, and choose the one that fits your brand the best. Thank you for watching, and happy mood boarding.